Baby, and this time, some minutes and I come out for a dummy. I did. Some young fellows every back. Of course. Yeah. Maybe tell me Philip Mas, you have no idea. Just let me see you come out with brother. Yeah. Yeah, then I'm here. These are not. I want to say, oh, warrior now we are there. This I will say, oh, you're single. Single. Now, Obiani Mabrabo. Maybe, Obiani Mabrabo. As a man with him, must have to message him. This, and now, what has been back as what? I will, but Majai, Minibeka, I knew she. Majai. Yanya Shada. Majai. And you say, Jai, you enjoy you. What I say, so your name is very new. In the business, in the Argentina, many if you are treat me like your brother, young as a minute. That doesn't know, she's over my name, Margaret, Madonna, on one as a I did not do this, you go, as I covered you are not over one. What is the fear? If you are quite Minute started producing. Yeah, it is that you are put is different. Minutes on your sheet. But I say, but she didn't mean back at them. We just shagged at the end, and that was it. As you kissing, man kissing. I'm a big now. I'm a big you. Well, we want to take I know just a serious kiss. Nay, take a that's it. Hey! Lisa! Hey! How to require a single? Yes, we see a one single. Because Lisa, you have a lot of songs. This is William Crocker, so can you call you basing? Okay, albums then I'll do albums there. On the album, there's all the about also two once in our internet. Sure. I mean, I've been in the game for since 2012. 2012. Yeah, it's been a long time. I got 2 albums in my credit. This year, I may share the next album I'll be releasing in April. I know that Hamano. Okay. Yeah, it's so this 2018 April. More expected album my friend Highlight Connect. Highlight Connect. Yes. Wow, I don't work on so much power. Yet good. Meaning now, Mr. Sharon, me feature artists from all over. The attendance of Mr. Highlight to other people, other countries. It's funny enough, my book go so many countries, like African countries. My boy Liberia, my boy Gabon, my boy Equatorial Guinea, my boy Benin. Wow. Dawson. Yes, Nigeria. Nigeria, Brother is one of my biggest songs. Like now, I want to take that. I want to, but it's just the rhythm. Can I highlight it here? I like. As a moon TV that. Which I say, as a much TV that as it. Yeah. And I know things. No more. Brother was big in Nigeria. It's still big though. Yeah. Nigeria, Libena, what did the releasing? Nigeria for very years. I see. And releasing. I mean, many baby. Okay. Many are the only good. Many become banks. Yeah. Many Network. The funny part was releasing Master, and I had a lot of messages like, wow, Master, of course, most of the artists, 9% are only a remix, but now in per remix, 9% only original, internet like me catch on, so we should just work on another. What if most of the artists wanted to do most remix with people are on contact. Okay, no, remix. Okay, fine. Yeah. Now they wanted a remix. Okay. And I'm catch on say it's better said a new song. Okay. You know, yeah. Because my side of its own. My side, yeah. You know, powerful. Hey, brother. That year, it's can't one on ya. That's what the big for Bugatti. And I would say.
I know you're true. So she pa.
Oh,
She how ye pa.
In Yakaka, my favorite age.
Then the question na parties be chosen open so we feature more so normal or moment the same boom and
oh yeah feel free
okay quadra now person in the officer young feature also
yeah
I know tell you down
yeah
it's true
very true
he did that to you
very true and then later on
I see
Oko radio so and Oko can say I don't know inspire you which got me so mad intimacy about and bet your mind I don't have any problem with
yeah,
it.
I know.
I'm cool.
But if you say, Obetu Bino, no one met to be no. I say, Obetu Bino, one met to be no on. And then Obetu Bia, if you say, a moody and a cabin.
Oh, it would have made a difference because I think that people would love to listen to Mene Kobna collaboration. So just say, I don't think I'm a calling in terms of rapping. Yeah, baby. Oh, that's because I quite remember I met him in London and now we took me for baby and I was happy about it. The Michelle studio and I made sure and said, in my movie. Say. What I said. But I mean, it's
life,
it's life.
Then they say,
and my master went to like a lot. But as a master, and yet on
a lot of people.
But they
all rejected
the same people. And the same people came back. They wanted to do a remix. But I said, but that's how life is, you know.
The sample for the own films is
it's business. Nothing personal. Maybe we'll do a song, beautiful song together. I don't have a problem with it. My media said, my radio, so I'm a cassette, I'm a features messy way.
Yeah.
And I want 1 year. I respect every decision I will be I'm respected. Because when I'm proud of voice, when I'm proud of life, you don't want to do this. Me to me, but I say, but the fact that my mom is radio song, I say, oh, I still messy way. Maybe beside say, and I want you know. And when she said, I was over radio, so now, like I said, after you know it, and I was over radio, so now, like I said, India made the young bell, and I 1 year because ABC.
Yeah,
or black family soon to start. What I say, sometimes I'm going to say, oh, Bisakede and Pekasa. Sometimes, you know, people use that against me, and it's bad. What I say,
why you call Pekasa?
Make us up. What I say.
I know your lyrics because you know power. For language to be another. What's your son? I see.
Yeah, mention but I am a comic papa, and I mean, you know, papa, not or J. Abafumo, or Nanam Pedumo, or I say someone who's more, and one of me teaches, and the harm of family. Many a man can and I place not me fat meaning for Adam for. No more. As I say, dear boy.
Okay. What is that? Who's to
me? ATTC.
Wow.
And that was the last school I'm calling. Architecture.
Oh. But what for you?
May we drunk for 4 9 or 6 years.
And he's got a very and
after I'm hear music. Let me hear music. Yes, I hear sound engineering. Yes, it's like architecture.
Doing the instruments, book a car.
Oh, me book a car. Wow. Me book some studio engineer. Me produce as into ghost. Me produce most of the songs, most of my hits. Me produce Chingam. Minister for the me produce or back for Pimpina.
Okay.
If you treat me like your brother.
Yeah,
me produce.
I see.
Yeah, me produce a lot of sounds I'm comfortable.
Bishop Oyeli Bisaki Day NA18 come on live on the station with the vision. Now I can't send me tablet crying or the catcher me crying and can't Bisaki Day. And they are saying, Bisana, Ababa way I say obi no. Kani Gloria. Unim da. Then no TV catch us say only musician be record. Now evidence was 16.
As I'm there, I'm person like that. But the things on my family, I apologize. Yeah, me jam like because then got one funny easy. That's me, yeah. Because in try to sweat it.
Yeah, Samu.
Yeah,
wow. Tell us about Hammer.
Hammer?
Yes. Which is out now.
Yeah.
What inspired you to?
Okay.
One got out. Sorry, now.
Yeah, Zemi.
But June Quasson.
And some men Quasson. I tell him, could be a check. May ring intro.
We are dearly president.
I will be a check. You're with Methodist.
Methodist.
Yeah.
What's the Methodist? I don't mean that. Wow. What inspired you to? The visa will be said, the other boy, I think be message, I know preaching. And Ara, girl be by I share with Ama. It's so preaching now in the West.
I mean,
so how did you get
it? Sometimes we think of stories now with their children, and sometimes, you know, as a musician, as a songwriter, I was a Ujuni, but there's a metinastic. In some we put things together. I feel ever starting now. Let me say, some releasing your mind, then I have to release something a bit inspiring for you know that will get people going. I don't think I'm here hammer. I say I feel be very fine. I feel where you are fit. I should be
never probably were too quiet here, but it is so here, Mr. Nimo of Nimo Pharmacy. I mean, what you know across the show, so friend.
Oh, that.
He likes your music.
Wow.
Call you Pana. I know you come back or prepare the amount. Let's enjoy this song from